guys, this is video. I'm gonna play Minecraft. Hardcore. Let me try it. I'm so scared. I don't know when I survive the hardcore. Minecraft. I know how to survive. Oh. But the wind is still working at me. So, I'm super scared because this is my first time of hardcore. I don't want to lose my first round. I'm just watching something that's not real. You wanna show the proof? Okay. When I'm done playing Minecraft, I'm gonna show you. Please. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Kill it. Okay. K. You know the YouTuber named K. He's my favorite. And I wish I can meet him in Roblox. But guys, I just wanna play Overkill, but it costs Robux. What I do, I want it so how? And I'm not giving up. Okay, let's do this. Guys, I'm so close to 20 subscribers. Thank you for the 15. I'm still working at the edit I had of game. Next if I ever reach single one subscriber, I will come to your video and just like and subscribe it. No matter how you don't subscribe, like I will like back. Let's start this. I'm now whatever guys. Thank you for the 50 and it was good. Well, it's hungry. It's well. It's harder than I expected. It was a little bit super hard. Sorry, chicken. I need to kill you before. Thank you for the food. Yum. Thanks. Oh, it's a clay. Need clay. I'm gonna use the printed steel. Let me find printed steel. Oh, I have one lead. I need some iron to get thin steel. Let's continue it. Na 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 na. You know what? Just kidding. It's not the mean. It's just what I want. Okay. Whoa! So if I needed this. Wait. I need one more to make a bed. Like gotta use this. Oh, it's a bee! Oh, I just wanna this. Okay guys, wait. Hi guys, I'm back. I just went something. I'm gonna put some of this. No, I forget. No, help me, guys, help me. No, I'm cooked. Help me, please. Sorry. Eat me. Try to eat me, okay? Try me. Ouch. Oh. I'm cooked. There's maybe. Oh no, I'm about to die. Oh no! No. Yes, finally. I survived. Oh. I would suppose this step. I'm about to die. Guys, we're just kidding. I'm still alive. Guys, go. Okay, let's do this. Let's. I got one. I need some mutton. Thanks. This video it's about 12 minutes. By the way, it's the day. Oh, hello. Oh, finally got to bed. You're so close. Yes. Oh my god, I got a bed. Oh my god. I'm just gonna. Guys, I'm gonna say this word. No. Bye-bye, guys. Wait, just kidding. So, saving credits. Play Black Blast. This is my now favorite. I'm pro at this. I play this every day. Just, I'm a kid. Oh, see? I'm better. I play skate every day.
Great. Great.
Okay. Top.
Good.
That.
Unbelievable.
This.
Great. Good.
It gave me no anxiety.
Great.
It makes me grow. This is my new favorite. Just kidding. I like
Great. Good.
that. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so close to my school.
Great. Great.
You know the Arabic sound like this.
Good.
No. Please. I did my score. Yes! I got this score now. Yes! I catch it! Thank you guys. Just kidding. Yes! I made it finally. Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow.